We're at the Sand Run project site. It's in Sand Run Metro Park. The actual project site is about 7,000 linear feet. Summit Metro Parks wanted to do this project for a couple of reasons. One was they have a lot of infrastructure along this way that needed protection. And then the other one was that there are several barriers to fish access along Sand Run and some opportunities to improve fish habitat.
Sand Run Metro Park is really the flagship of our park district. It's one of our oldest parks. It's also our most popular, most heavily visited park. One of the problems associated with the stream is we had a lot of barriers to fish movement. And anytime you build sharp drops in streams, prevent them from doing that. Also, we get a lot of urban runoff, which creates problems for the park, undermining our infrastructure.
This project was funded primarily by Clean Ohio funding as well as FEMA funding, and also Summit Metro Parks put in their own funds towards the project. For the infrastructure protection component, we looked at areas where maybe the slopes were severely eroding and looking at bioengineering methods to help stabilize those slopes. For fish habitat, primarily was looking at where the barriers exist and how to safely remove them, and then design new structures to allow fish to pass through those sections of the stream.
I'd say one of the challenges of the project is the agency coordination. You have EPA, you have U.S. Army Corps of Engineers, and there's the planning and the design aspect of it, but there's also the approval process and getting through some of that red tape. Between the partnership with Davey, they've done a really good job of staying on schedule, staying on track, and working through the project to get it done.
I think it benefits the community in two ways. Number one, we are protecting the infrastructure for the public to come in and enjoy the park. And number two, I think the public benefits from an ecological lift.
Making sure that this stream and the park stays here for generations to come, it's been very rewarding. And getting to know Davey and the construction team here, it's been a real pleasure to work with them. It's been a really rewarding experience all the way around.